Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law, and through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 Million Challenge, so please stay tuned. In the previous video we did a stock update for ticker symbol MMAT and also for ticker symbol MIRM, so please refer back to the previous video for updates on both of those stocks. Before we start today's stock analysis, quick reminder of our $1 Million Challenge for anybody who's not aware of this. This is a journey of an investment from $1,000 to $1 million over a period of 3 years using compound return investing. So the target is to achieve 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, it's 201 trades with an average return of 3.5%. So again, details in the video below, in the description below. Within this challenge we have a spreadsheet of specially chosen stocks for this challenge. Many of them are low risk stocks in order to achieve the 3.5% plus return. Discord community works together in the challenge. This is well in excess of 300 now, working together, sharing due diligence, technical analysis, research, buy alerts, etc. The Discord community includes a dedicated area for the challenge, including FAQs, an agreement section, chat and questions section, share your buys, stock spreadsheet is available there as well, king alerts and queen alerts, which will be explained once you join. And we also have a leaderboard and update section in there, so details in the description below if you want to join us on this journey. Today's stock analysis is for ticker symbol ABML, American Battery Metals. As you know, this is a stock that has been featured a few times on this channel. I will also be having a special guest on the video, so please stay tuned later on for that. Before we look at that, let's first of all now have a look at the chart, close of play on Friday, and let's have a look at what happened. So on Friday, close of play, many stocks were down quite significantly. It was a strong red day in the market. However, with American Battery Metals, we can see here on the chart on the screen, the stock was up almost 2%, closing at $1.54. At open, it started at $1.49. It did trend downwards at one point, hitting close to $1.49. Then around about 3 p.m. we did see a little bit of horizontal movement, and then towards the power hour, very strong movement upwards, lots of green candles. We can see the RSI jumped up quite significantly, closing up around about 75, so lots and lots of buying there. So good news overall in terms of volume. We're looking at just in excess of 1 million. However, it is down from the average volume, but there has been some positive signals for the stock going ahead. We're going to have a look at some potential rumors and also some potential good news. Let's start by having a look at a tweet from ABTC that was released just after close of market, and on here we can see an announcement, good positive announcement. The announcement follows on our new Instagram channel at ABT_company as we prepare for work to begin on our lithium ion battery recycling pilot plant. So this is a great headline. This is also a great announcement, but there was also a further development in terms of their social media presence. So let's have a look at the next news that was released as well on the Friday. I'm also pleased to announce that there is now an ABTC YouTube channel, so it goes by the name of American Battery Technology. So recommend everybody to subscribe to this as well, as I have already done. So if we'll have a look at the description here, the thing I'd like to focus on is the third paragraph down, which I think is very bullish. So this is stating here that the company is working to increase production of primary metals used in the batteries that power electric cars, grid storage applications, and consumer electronics and tools. So very bullish statement there in terms of market opportunity. It certainly looks very broad. So we're looking at EV sector, we're looking at grid storage applications, consumer electronics. I'm presuming that possibly includes laptops and mobile phones possibly, and also tools such as drills and power tools, etc. So the focus is on creating a circular economy for battery metals that champions ethical and environmentally sustainable sourcing of critical materials. So the key thing there I can see in terms of a circular economy, what they're saying here is, again, that's referring to the recycling aspects of the business, which I think is unique. I will be following up with a video looking at some of the techniques that the ABTC company are going to use and what makes them different to the competitors. But again, great news here in terms of their YouTube channel. They have also released their first video, so let's have a look at the headline for the first video, and it states here, ABTC preparing for work to begin on lithium-ion battery recycling pilot plant. So a great headline, great vision, and what this basically tells me, and certainly makes a strong suggestion, that construction is about to begin. There have been some rumours with regard to construction. We're going to look at them shortly as well. So as well as the new YouTube page, I'm pleased to say the company now have a new Instagram page. So the title of the Instagram page is @ABT_company. And again, a bullish headline here. When are you going to start grading? 4 days, 10 hours, 42 minutes. So certainly strong suggestions here on the Instagram page that we may be looking at potential construction to start fairly imminently. I'd now like to introduce Damien from the YouTube channel Buy, Hold, Sell with Damien. So I did appear on Damien's channel earlier, so thanks Damien for having me on. I've been following your content, I think it's excellent, so please click subscribe to the channel. He has some excellent coverage of ABTC, so I'll pass the floor over now to Damien.
First of all, I just want to say thanks, Ali, for having me on the channel. It's been, what, about a month or so now trying to get this arranged. So finally, we've been able to do it. I can't wait to get you on my channel. I also am a big fan of ABML, ABTC. Been covering on my channel for over 6 months now. Unfortunately, I've only heard of them sort of about 8 months ago. They've been on the radar, and I just love this company. I love what they're going to do, the innovation that they're going to be bringing, and the future in this sector is going to be huge. And I think within that, ABML will really take off. And we've covered a lot of the same catalysts. We've covered a lot of the same news. But one thing that came recently that I covered in my last video was about the shareholders vote. And I think this is a huge, big, game-changing, fundamental by Ryan Meltzert, who's the new CEO, which is another recent catalyst for Doug to step down and Ryan to come in. I know a lot of people, including myself, were pushing for that and wanted that. So that's a huge catalyst, but for him to make a big statement so early into his tenure to say that they're bringing shareholders votes, I think is really showing that this company is going to be big. And I'm really excited about the infrastructure bill that's going to go through and how this company goes forward. On my channel, I try to talk mostly about green energy. I talk about infrastructure. I'm very passionate about it. I'm a full-time quantity surveyor. One thing I'm looking forward to doing is talking about the construction process. I'm looking forward to getting the shovels into the ground, and we will talk about the delivery of the pilot plant on my channel. I think American Battery Technology will be a huge player in this space. I'm looking forward to covering it for many, many years as a long-term hold. For anyone interested, feel free to check out my channel. Until next time, Ali, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you all another time.
So thank you, Damien, for the very positive message there. I will add your channel link in the description below, so if anybody wants to subscribe, details will be in the description below. So let's now proceed to have a look at one of the rumours that has been circulating on social media with regard to construction. And finally, I'd like to give a shout out to Krupa from Reddit. He shared a very interesting picture here with a prediction and a rumour. So let's have a look at this. So on the picture here, we have a caption, and on the caption here we have a date. It states at the bottom, October the 1st, just left Fernley. Job trailer, porta pots, water truck, backhoes coming Monday. Job foreman was there and said work starts 1st of next week. So again, very positive statement there. This is a rumour. This is a statement from Krupa on Reddit. However, this is not a statement from the company, so this is still an example of by the rumour. However, the circumstantial evidence in the photo is very, very suggestive, very positive. Let's finish off now by having a look at another photograph, which I think is very interesting. And the final picture I'd like to share with you is also from Krupa on Reddit, and there's another caption here on in this photograph, which is also October the 1st update. The caption at the bottom is utility markings on road. So we can see utility markings on the road, and what I can see here is the number 360 there, and there's also address at the bottom written in white paint. There are some trucks. So again, strong circumstantial evidence and strong rumours here that indicate that construction is imminent, possibly about to start. Let's wait and see. I'd like to now finish off by having a reminder in terms of anybody who has concerns about ABTC, American Battery Metals. please refer back to one of my previous videos where I covered in significant detail lots of rumours and lots of catalysts. We have BASF, we have potential deals with Ford, we have catalysts coming up in terms of NASDAQ, and also we've just seen now construction. As well as that, there's going to be revenue generation in the future as well. So everybody who currently invests in ABTC, if you carried out your due diligence, you will know and you will accept that the company have not had revenue yet. They are a pre-revenue company. So if anybody is worried about that, compare ABTC with other companies that have no revenue. I'm just going to share one with you, QuantumScape. So compare the share price of QuantumScape. People are investing in that. As a pre-revenue company, look at the share price, compare that with the share price of ABTC, carry out the due diligence on ABTC, look at the potential for the future, look at the potential of the EV market and the growth of the EV market, and then look at the share price, and you will realize that we are investing in a company that is extremely undervalued, very, very cheap. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.